I'm going to be showing you how to delete your Reddit account. So deleting your Reddit account is permanent and it cannot be recovered afterwards. So all of your posts and comments will usually stay on Reddit but will be shown as deleted instead of your username. And here's how to do it. So the first thing you need to do is open your Reddit app, and once you're there you should see something like this. So after you're here, what you need to do is find settings. So in order to find it, you just need to look at the top right where you can see your avatar. Just go ahead and tap here. Now you have all sorts of options. To scroll down till you find settings right there at the bottom. Just go ahead and tap there, and now you have all of these options. What you need to do is scroll all the way down till you find delete account right there. Just go ahead and tap here, and now you just need to log in with your username and your password and tap on delete again. Just tap on continue here, and again tap on continue. Just sign in. After you've signed in, you can successfully delete and confirm. So that's how you delete your Reddit account on your iPhone. I hope this video was helpful for you. Please leave us a like and drop us a comment down below, and we'll see you again in our next video. Thank you for watching.